Rinig ko, Cassandra. Exam niyo na rin sa susunod na linggo. Ayusin mo ah. Tingnan mo mga scores at grades ng mga kapatid mo. Lahat matataas. Remember, people look up to us. Our name and your image must be perfect. No low scores, no mistakes.
Exactly. Your dad is right. Advisor mo pa naman ako. Kung mababa ang marka mo, ano na lang sasabihin ng mga co-teachers ko? If you don't excel, it looks like we failed our duties. We expect you to be always the best. Understand?
Yes, Ma. I'll study hard and do my best.
Finish your dinner. Kailangan niyo matulog na maaga dahil Monday na bukas.
May important reminder lang ako sa inyo. Next week na ang major exam natin sa mga major subjects. I hope you all prepared already. Hindi lang ito basta pagpuyatan ng isang gabi lang. You need to study well, review all your lessons, and understand the topic. Understood? Yes, Ma'am! Okay, good.
When are you going to study, Cassie? Kung puti na ang uwak? Look at the difference between you and Alexander.
Puro ka na lang cellphone dyan. Sa tingin mo may magkukuha ka dyan?
Puro na kasi kaibigan yan.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Pa. I'm going to study in my room now.
Better.
I'm not hanging out with my friends anymore, Matt. What's your problem?
Mabuti class! Top scorers si Alexander, followed by Cassandra, James, and Olivia. Mabuti dahil mostly sa inyong section ay nakapasa. Cassandra, pagkatapos ng lesson natin, sundan mo ko sa culture room.
Isa ulit, Cassandra. 96!
Hindi ako talaga, Cassandra! Hindi ko alam bakit naging anak kita!
Sorry, Mom, Dad. I tried my best. I swear I tried my best.
Mrs. Sarah, can we have a word?
Yes, proceed.
Alexander and James are teamed up, bully and humanitate your daughter.
What?
Yes, ma'am. It's always like the victim of that group. Palagi lang nila kinakahiya si Cassie.
Cassie did tell me this before. Thank you for informing me that Olivia and Dana. Tell these two to come here, please. Han! Cassandra was bullied in school!
What? Who are those students that bullied her?
I talked to them kanina sa school.
Ano naman sinabi mo? Did you tell them to stop pestering your daughter?
I did. Malaki ang kasalanan kay Cassandra. We should apologize too.
Tama ka. Hintayin lang natin siya na lumabas from her own room. Cassie, come here. We want to talk to you.
Ano po yun, Dad? Kung grades ko po yun, I'm sorry.
$96 ka lang? Akala ko perfect ka palagi. Diba your parents are teachers, right? Anything less than 100 is a disappointment for them. We got 98 and 99. And at least, our parents doesn't expect from us. Poor you.
Stop it guys! Hindi nakakatawa na kinukutya na si Cassie.
At ay magagawa yan na. Susumbong na lang natin sila.
It's none of your business.
Why? Ayaw mo marinig ng lahat na you're not good as you pretend to be?
No, Cassie. Kami dapat ang magsasorry sa'yo. Pinag-pressure ka namin sa pag-aaral mo without knowing that your classmate bullied you.
I was scared to tell you. Akala ko po madidisappoint ko lang po kayo lalo, kaya tiniis ko na ang lahat.
Anak, we're so sorry. We became too focused on your grades, and we forgot to ask you if you were okay. We should have listened to you first.
From now on, your grades don't define your worth. Mas importante sa amin ang kalusugan at kasiyahan mo sa anumang score.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Akala ko po kasi magagalit po kayo pag nalaman niyo.
Never. From now on, we'll face your problems together. Hindi mo na kailangang dalhin lahat ng mag-isa.
I already talked to your classmate kanina. Hindi na namin hayaang mangyari ulit ito.
Thank you. I finally feel like someone understands me.
Isang araw na di handa, naglaro ang tadhana.
Cassie, I want to tell you something. Can we talk for a minute, please?
We're going to point out about my score, man. Just say it.
Lang, bakit kaya pag-ibig na
No! Hindi yan ang ibig ko sabihin. I know it hurts deeply. And sorry sa ginawa namin sa'yo. But please, mag-usap na lang tayo.